guys, and welcome back to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This one is for, I believe, the December Allure Beauty Box. So, let's go right ahead and get into it. Here's the front of the little booklet with it this time. Let's see here. Hello, hibernation. My lifestyle these days is 50% hermit, 50% hibernating bear, and if you interrupt my slumber, I will growl. Even now, I'm writing to you from under a fluffy blanket with a cup of ginger tea nearby. Sounds like I could have written it. Seeing the leaves fall outside my New Jersey window only makes me want to burrow deeper, and my nesting routine requires many layers of moisturizing products. The heat is on a steady 75 degrees, meaning my skin is very thirsty. This month's box is packed with hydrating serums and masks and a gentle retinol to brighten, so when I finally emerge from this dormant state, I will be glowier and dewier than ever. Yep, still sounds like me. So first thing in here is the Chiate London Trend Edit palette, and it's $24. I'll read the blurb first and then we'll open it up and look at it, but I kind of did a sneak peek at it. Ooh, I am so excited to start playing with this palette. You have no idea. Especially since from the, the Maybelline Lemonade Pop palette, I've been really into, like, the soft pink rose gold metallic shade in there. Yeah, this one's got a bunch that kind of fit the bill for that, so I'm very excited. So, sorry, itchy nose. So, do I love coppers, deep reds, and spicy browns? Yes, I do. Do I already have enough of these colors in my collection of shadows? Also yes. But this Chiate London palette is worth adding to my stable. For me, the key to a good palette is options. If I leave the house for a trip and I pack one palette and nothing else, I should have everything I need to create a complete look. This Chiate palette gives me that. Of the 9 shades included, 4 are neutral browns, great for crease color options, and 5 shades are shimmers. Each is creamy and rich, plus its compact size doesn't take up too much space in your makeup bag. And if you need to reapply your shadows, you can do so using the mirror that's included. Yeah, so it's $24. You can enter Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off your order. Valid through January 31st, so still good as of the time of recording this, but by the time I post it, who knows. But anyway, so let's take a look-see. The color names are Burnt, Blushed, Nude, Baby, Love Heart, Caramel, Mink, Desert, and Champagne. So here's what it looks like. It's a cute little baby pink palette. And so we don't blind ourselves here, I'll stick the box over the mirror. But look how pretty! I'm, like, not gonna lie, super stoked for this guy right here, especially. Also these two in the middle. Fuck all of them. They're all good. Like, literally, they're all good. So I was, like, really, really excited to see that that's a thing that I got, and it's full size. I was like, ooh, thank you, Allure. Getting better at this, aren't you guys? The next page in here, we've got the, wait, that's not the right one. Where do we go? This is the Mud Masky Leave Me On Winter Mask. I'm not sure if this is full size or not, actually. I want to say full size has to be bigger than this, but if it's not, the full size price is $45.85, which, ouch! If that's full size, fucking ouch! But, anyway, I used to think that the only appropriate public place to apply a mask was an airplane and the Allure office, but this transparent Mud Masky cream is undetectable. I like to mix it with a few drops of hyaluronic serum before generously spreading the mask over my face. The cream has a white appearance, but as soon as it touches your face, it sinks in, leaving no residue, nor does it pill. The formula contains a blend of oils including jojoba and argan, and soybean, which is jam-packed with vitamin E, perfect for fighting environmental stressors and extreme temperature changes like going from a warm, heated indoor area to cold and windy outdoors. Not bad. Not bad at all. And I'm just blown away at how spendy that is. Okay. Next, where is it? Is it this? Yeah, this is definitely not full size, because full size is like in a pump bottle, and they sent this, so. But this is the Caudalie Venosource SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. Full size is $49. Ouch. I'm writing this I'm writing this in October, so most things about the end of the year are still unclear, but there's one thing that you can pretty much always count on when winter rolls around: dry skin. To counteract the cold, wind, and low humidity, I'm using this Caudalie SOS Serum. Layering products that promise moisture over everything else is key when my skin starts to look red and flaky. Hydration is this serum's main game. Its key ingredients are hyaluronic acid, olive squalane, and organic grape water. Since there are no exfoliants, it's gentle enough to use twice a day. It's almost as lightweight as an essence and absorbs very quickly. Immediately after applying, my skin looks glowy and feels bouncy as if I've been getting 8 hours of sleep and as many cups of water on a daily basis. Next up. This looks so generic, but I'm hoping I'm wrong on that. This is By Me X My Beauty brand black liquid eyeliner. Full size, $22. A sharp black eyeliner wing has always been my defense against the world. No other makeup seems to give off the same leave me alone or else vibe that I'm going for. I've tested many formulas, and By Me's black liquid eyeliner is on my star roster. The pigments are as dark as they come. The liquid itself has very wet feeling, so it glides easily across the skin and dries down super quickly. The felt-tipped applicator is on the stiffer side, providing just the right amount of control and flexibility you need to pull off that perfect flick. Whether you're a winged eyeliner veteran or still learning the ropes, this pigmented liner pen will likely end up on your wish list. But man, $22 for one liner, that is crazy. Again, not full size, although the full size of this would be $39. Ouch. La Roche-Posay Retinol B3 Serum. 8+ months of social distancing does strange things to your psyche, and since our skin is often a reflection of our state of mind, my once slightly finicky skin is now ultra-sensitive. Not exactly a great time to start using retinol, but this blend contains vitamin B3, aka niacinamide. It's known for decreasing inflammation and helping skin retain moisture, which makes it a perfect match for retinol. After 2 weeks, my skin was noticeably brighter. After week 3, I felt confident logging on to Zoom meetings totally makeup-free. Sorry, again, itchy nose. Let's see. On the back, we've got this little ad for Cetaphil. Where is it? Cetaphil. I'm kind of curious how many of these I'm going to end up with. I think this one's a different one. But it's literally just got an ad for it. It doesn't even have, like, a blurb in here written about it. And there's still something else in here. What? It's in this Beauty Loot bag. What's in it? Allure, thank you. We hope you enjoyed this special gift. It's totally separate from your regular beauty box and our way of showing how much we appreciate having you as a loyal member. It's by Amore Pacific, and it's the Time Response Eye Reserve Cream. Okay. This fast-absorbing, ultra-nourishing eye cream delivers moisture to the delicate eye area to even texture and create a youthful appearance. Contains Amore Pacific's exclusive Chrono Tea green tea water that helps to improve the look of skin elasticity and moisture while preventing future signs of aging. Well, that's cool. But yeah, back to the Cetaphil. It's the Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Daily Cream for face for dry, dehydrated skin. Or dehydrated. Nourishes to deeply replenish skin's hydration for 48 hours. Hydrosensitive complex and hyaluronic acid. Use every morning and night after cleansing, gently smoothing over the face and neck. I would consider buying the full size of this, because Cetaphil is not anything crazy expensive. But yeah, so it may not be, like, as many products by the numbers as are usually in Allure, but the ones we've got are, like, really nice, so I really can't complain. So anyway, guys, that's it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts. Did I already say that? I feel like I did. If not, follow Facebook fan page, Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. I'm still waking up. It's 3 a.m. Okay? Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna go, so see ya.